Hey, what's up guys? Today I just wanted to do a quick clarification video. Yesterday I did a video where I talked about the reasons you can't order a Dodge Challenger or Charger for the 22 model year just yet, despite the fact that we're almost in 22 already. I got a couple of comments from viewers that said that they had already ordered their 22s, so I did some more research, reached back out to my local Dodge dealership, and apparently the holdup on 22 models only refers to the Hellcat Redeye Jailbreak models, which is the model that I'm waiting for. If you're looking to purchase a 22 392 or Hellcat, or even a Hellcat Redeye, or as far back as the V6, you can go down to your local Dodge dealer and order those vehicles. The official Dodge website has not yet updated so that you can go online and order one from there, or find a dealer in your area that can. They're still showing 21 models. They're still building 21 models. I actually checked the Dodge website this morning for my local Dodge dealer, and they still have some Dodge Chargers that are being built that have not been shipped yet. So yes, they're still building 21s, but you can place your order for 22s. Now, if I had to guess, the first 22 models will be available sometime January, February. The Redeye Jailbreak, which is the car that I'm personally waiting for, I'm being told late quarter 2021, which we're already in. There's only 28 days left in late quarter 2021. So sometime between now and the end of the month, the books will open on the Redeye Jailbreak. One of my viewers said they've heard December 12th, but who knows, you know, if they push that deadline back. Hopefully those cars become available sooner than later, because there is a difference in the Jailbreak and the standard Redeyes. If you go with the Redeye Jailbreak, you're going to get 807 horsepower, which is super stock horsepower. That's very, very close to Demon power. Dodge said that they weren't going to build anything more powerful than the Demon, but that doesn't mean that they won't toe the line and get right up to it. Also, in the Jailbreak package, there are so many options that you can choose to customize your car that weren't previously available in previous models, and it will come with a Jailbreak badge on the interior of the car. So you're going to have so many more options with the Jailbreak, and we'll go over those options here shortly on what you can get in that Redeye Jailbreak, and that's the package that I'm waiting for. Initially, I did a video a couple weeks ago where I talked about ordering a 22 Hellcat wide body, and was going to forgo the Redeye altogether until the Jailbreak was announced. With the customization options and all the things that you can do with the Jailbreak package, that was enough for me to go ahead and wait out and do the Jailbreak package, even though the horsepower doesn't really matter to me for the most part. I mean, you're going from 707 to 807, that's 100 horsepower. But the customization is the thing that's really going to do it for me. I want to make a car that's one of one that I personally designed, and that was enough for me to pay the extra $14,000, $15,000 that I talked about in that video, that I didn't really want to pay for the 80 extra horsepower in the standard Redeye. But you're also going to get an extra 10 horsepower on top of that with the customization options. So if you're looking at ordering a 22 Charger or Challenger, the books are officially opened. The quicker you get to your Dodge dealer and get your order in, the quicker you'll get your car. You don't want to wait, because the longer the line gets, the longer it's going to take the cars to be built, especially with the chip shortage and the car market the way that it is right now. So I'm going to jump on the computer and go over the options that you can do with the Jailbreak package. All right, so this is a press release directly from Stellantis on their website. This is exactly why I wanted to go with the Hellcat Redeye Jailbreak, specifically for the customization. The 2022 Dodge Charger and Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye wide body Jailbreak. That's a mouthful. Those cars unlock color combination ordering restrictions and add new factory custom options. I can't wait to see what those options are, because as of right now, I'm not the biggest fan of the color palette, and I'm just hoping, I'm praying to God that Plum Crazy Purple and Destroyer Gray are among these options. I would love to have a Plum Crazy Purple or a Destroyer Gray option available. I had a Destroyer Gray 392 Challenger, a 2019 model, and I want that in a Hellcat Redeye. That would be awesome. Jailbreak models are the next phase of Dodge's Never Lift campaign, which is the last 2 years of the Hellcat. That's not relevant to what I'm talking about. The Jailbreak models include unique badging and boost SRT Hellcat widebody Redeye output to 807 horsepower with a revised power drain calibration. Basically, the badging is on the interior. I don't believe it's on the exterior of the car. That's not what I read before. It unleashes the ability to order unrestricted combinations in more than 20 categories, 7 seat options, stripes and wheels, 6 brake caliper color options, 5 exterior badging finishes, and 4 choices of steering wheels, seatbelt colors, and floor mats. Now, I don't know if you're going to have to pay for each option or if you're just going to be able to choose from each option, because the jailbreak package is already a $1,000 upgrade. In order to go from a Redeye to a jailbreak, you have to pay $1,000 to unlock it. I don't know if it's going to be like a la carte, where you pick these type of wheels and it'll be this much, and you choose this color seat and it'll be this much. I'm hoping that the $1,000 will cover all of the options available and you pick and choose what you want. Personalization choices also include 7 different wheel options, 6 exterior stripe options, and brake caliper color offerings, 5 varieties of seats and exterior badging finishes, and 4 options of steering wheels, seatbelt colors, and floor mats. I like the all-weather floor mats better than carpet. Carpet just is impossible to keep clean. I like all-weather floor mats myself. New content options for jailbreak models include Hammerhead Gray Laguna leather seats and floor mats, Hammerhead Gray Sepia and Demonic Red seat belts, 20 by 11 inch warp speed satin carbon wheels, Brass Monkey satin chrome and red exterior badging finishes, blue and yellow brake calipers, and much more. There are pre-configured jailbreak models as well if you don't want to go in and do like if you just wanted to try to get one from the dealer without having to wait for one to be ordered, and they got a jailbreak package in. They've got old school and brass funky. The brass funky I really didn't like. I'm not a big fan of bronze. Basically, you could just get a dealer to send. If a dealer got one in, you wouldn't have to worry about customizing your own. If you're basically going for the jailbreak for the extra power, there you go. There's pre-made ones available. They're going to be available for order in Q4, which is sometime between now and the end of the month. The 28 days left in the month as the time of making this video. So there you have it, 24 more months of Hellcats. And if you want to order a 22 Challenger or Charger, you can do so right now. But if you want to order the jailbreak like I'm doing, you have to wait until they open the books for those. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that bell so you get notified for all the videos. I appreciate you guys watching, and y'all take it easy.